is gonna plant these tomato suckers before my mom took them off of tomatoes. Do you see the roots there? I don't know which plant is that roots, but look how beautiful are the roots. We're gonna plant them now. This one also has roots. They're planted.
You will plant the tomato suckers?
Yeah. Come on. Let's go to a garden. You already grown. Remember when I told you? Oh, that's my mom's chair. Remember that I told you that my mom.
This is the tomato. We got the tomato suckers.
Yeah. Okay, where should we plant them, Mommy?
What are you doing, Daddy? Removing the tree branch.
The branch, the...
Roots.
And then what you will do there?
Where's the
Alisin natin yung fence kasi nakatagilid yung fence dahil doon sa puno.
Tapos
Daddy,
dyan namin
Mommy,
tatanim
where
yung
should we
tomato
plant
sucker.
this? Where should we plant?
There.
Okay.
Ito. Yan dito sa space na to.